Say, Melissa, I got a question for you. How come you don't like working on holidays? Because I hate working on holidays. Because a long time ago, when I was like 4 years old, you told me that some people don't work on holidays. Am I correct? Well, maybe. Yeah, some people just don't work on holidays, Melissa. Yeah, that's what you told me years ago. Oh, God. Melissa, I need to tell you something. What is it, Angelica? You got the tissue stuck up in your nose. What you got, the flus? No, I think I'm getting sick, or it might be allergies because it's spring. Your eyes are red and your cheeks are red. Go wash your hands. And don't you dare touch me either. Oh, it'll be fine, Melissa. I washed my hands like 2 weeks ago. Hold up! 2 weeks ago? You have got to be kidding me. Yeah, get those cooties off of me. Yuck. Oh my god, boogers! Now I gotta take 500 baths. Thanks a lot, Angelica. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just a little strong. It slipped. What's wrong with you, Angelica? Boss, I think I'm sick or something. Could it be allergies? Or could it be a cold? I would say allergies, but I think you get colds the most. So you could possibly have a cold. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, Melissa, what shall we do right now? I know exactly what time it is right now. What is it? I know what she's gonna say. Angelica, don't talk loud. You might lose your voice even more. Oh, Melissa, I know exactly what you're gonna put on. Well, you're just about right. It's music time, girl. Oh, heck no! My voice! Oh my god! My voice hurts! Oh my god! My voice hurts! Oh god! My voice hurts! Angelica, I told you not to talk very loud. I tried, but it slipped. See, now look what you did. Now you lost your voice even more. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to talk that loud. Now you're not gonna be able to talk for a while. How was gonna boss Melissa around? I guess you're not going to, Angelica, because she won't be able to understand you and possibly not hear you. God dang it! What the heck? Nothing, Melissa. Nothing's wrong. It's just that Angelica's not feeling right. Well, can I at least put on music? Not beats me, I don't know. Angelica, Melissa wants to put on her music, can't she? No, I just want to rest. Okay. Alright, Melissa, you're gonna hate my answer. Oh, did she say no? Yes. No music today, Melissa. No music today? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, sorry, boys. Maybe tomorrow or another day.
No, I can't live without music, boss. You know that.
I know, I'm sorry, Moisa, but just go one day without music.
Damn it. Oh, this day is gonna suck. Yeah, I lost my voice. I got the flu. God. I won't be able to do anything for a day.
I know, Angelica, I feel your pain.
In the ghetto! Angelica likes to sit alone because she doesn't like to sit right next to me because I'm way too noisy for her in the ghetto! Shut up, you crazy washing machine! What did you say? I said shut up, you crazy washing machine! What did you say? I said shut up, you crazy washing machine! Oh God, my voice hurts.
Angelica, stop talking! Now you probably made it worse because you yelled.
I'm sorry, boss. Oh God.
Now look what you did, Angelica. Now you won't have the ability to talk at all.
I'm sorry.
Ugh. Melissa, that's enough. Just quit teasing Angelica.
Fine. I guess I'll be bored for the rest of the damn day. Boss, give me some water. I think I'm dying. I can't speak.
Okay, Angelica, I'm gonna get you some water. Some ice water.
Oh, thank God.
Here, Angelica, have some water. Now just try not to talk for the rest of the day. I want your voice to heal.
Thanks, boss. God.
Yeah. I'm gonna go take a shower, girls, so I'll be right back. Please don't act stupid. Alright, I'm out of here.
So, want me to sing some more? No. Fine, I won't sing. I was gonna heal you with my soothing vocal cords, but I guess not. You're a Debbie Downer. Just shut up, please. What did you just say? This day is gonna suck. I think you just told me to shut up, Angelica. We ain't gonna have that today, girl. Nope. Boy, so you're gonna get grounded. What? I'm gonna get grounded? Is that what you said? Yeah. No, I won't. And besides, every time when you talk, I can't understand a word you're saying. Because my voice is lost. I know, but you're gonna make me have a boring day. Good. Look, boss wants you to stop talking, so please stop talking. Now I'm gonna use this. No! Hey, what are you doing with that? No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You wanna fight, girl? Huh? You wanna fight?
Huh? You shouldn't have done that, Angelica. You shouldn't have done that.
Oh, I've never been so humiliated in my life.
You should have taken it away, Angelica. Are you trying to make Mama Melissa sad? I think that's what you're doing. I think that's what you're trying to do to me.
Oh my god, I wish I could speak. I wish I could yell.
I'm gonna unplug you, Angelica, and I'm gonna get my speaker back, whether you like it or not. You're gonna pay for this, Angelica, whether you like it or not. Oh, that was a quick shower. Melissa, what do you think you're doing? Angelica took away my speaker right when I was getting ready to use it. That's it. I'm taking it away, Melissa. You're not getting it back. What? I'm sorry, Angelica. Give me that. Sorry, Melissa. You're grounded now. What? Yeah, you're grounded. I'm taking this away. Now, you better think about what you've done for the whole entire night. What? You're not getting the speaker for the rest of the week now. You mother... I can't believe it. This was the worst night of my life. I lost all of my stuff. Now I got nothing. Oh, because I lost my crap. Over me getting punished. And over Angelica getting sick. I'm so stupid for doing this. I can't believe it. Now I lost all of my crap. Today absolutely sucked. Big time. I'm glad that day is over. I never want to go through this day again. Man, I am so ready for bed. I'm hurt. I'm sad. And I'm going to bed. I don't care what happened. I'm done. I'm just done.